Nestled in the sparkling waters of the eastern Mediterranean, Cyprus beckons travelers with its enchanting blend of ancient history, sun-drenched beaches, and vibrant local culture. This island, divided yet united by its natural beauty and warm hospitality, offers a journey that resonates far beyond its shores. Begin by wandering through the bustling streets of Nicosia, the capital city, and the last divided capital in Europe. Here, history unfolds at every turn. The old city is encircled by Venetian walls, their centuries-old stones bearing witness to the island's tumultuous past. Step through the narrow alleys and discover lively cafés, traditional workshops, and open-air markets where the aroma of freshly baked bread mingles with the scent of sweet pastries. Pause at the Ledra Street crossing, a poignant reminder of Cyprus's unique political landscape, and glimpse the contrasting rhythms of life on either side. Venture west to Paphos, a city steeped in myth and legend. It is here, according to ancient lore, that Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, emerged from the sea foam. The coastline is dotted with dramatic rock formations, and the turquoise waters invite you to linger. Visit the UNESCO-listed archaeological sites, where intricate mosaics and Roman villas whisper tales of emperors and warriors. The tombs of the kings, carved into the limestone cliffs, evoke a sense of reverence and wonder. Travel northward to the Troodos Mountains, a haven for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility. The winding roads lead through emerald forests and picturesque villages clinging to the hillsides. In Kalapanaiotis and Kakopetria, stone houses and cobbled lanes transport you to a quieter era. Monasteries, such as the renowned Kikos Monastery, house treasures of Byzantine art and echo with the soft chant of prayers. In winter, the peaks are dusted with snow, while in spring and summer, hiking trails bloom with wildflowers. The southern coast is home to Limassol, a city where cosmopolitan flair meets laid-back charm. The marina gleams with luxury yachts, and the promenade is alive with laughter and music. Sample local wines at sprawling vineyards in the nearby countryside, where the tradition of winemaking dates back thousands of years. The village of Omodos is especially enchanting, with its shaded courtyards and aromatic bakeries serving sweet Koumandaria wine. No journey to Cyprus is complete without savoring its culinary delights. The island's cuisine reflects a tapestry of influences, from Greek and Turkish to Middle Eastern flavors. Enjoy a traditional meze, a banquet of small plates featuring grilled halloumi cheese, succulent kebabs, fresh salads, and savory dips. Dine al fresco as the sun sets, and let the rhythms of bouzouki music fill the air. For those drawn to the sea, Cyprus offers more than just sandy beaches. The crystalline waters are ideal for snorkeling, diving, and sailing. The wreck of the Zenobia, a sunken ferry near Larnaca, is a magnet for divers from around the world. Along the coast, quiet coves and lively resorts cater to every mood, from serene reflection to festive celebration. Throughout your travels, you'll encounter the enduring spirit of the Cypriot people. Their warmth and generosity are woven into every interaction, whether you're sharing stories over coffee in a village square or joining a traditional festival. Time seems to slow down, inviting you to savor each moment. In Cyprus, every journey is an immersion into layers of history, nature, and culture. It's a place where the past and present intertwine, where ancient ruins overlook modern cities, and where the gentle waves carry whispers of legend. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or discovery, Cyprus welcomes you with open arms and endless possibilities.